Hey everyone, this is a short video just to keep you posted on what's happening right now, so you don't feel like there's nothing happening after the Kickstarter. While working, the only thing is I'm moving house back from Japan to France in less than 2 weeks now, which is why there's a bit less communication. I'm going to be traveling, taking 4 days off to 5 days off from tomorrow. So, first, Kickstarter takes a bit of time to gather the pledges and gives time to those of you or the backers who have problems with their credit cards or with their bank to fix the charge, and then it creates a definitive list of backers, and this is why the first rewards will come at the end of the month for those who got the Pro Bundle and up, so 80 euros and up. So I've been working on preparing the work that's coming, and we're going to start with the new features in Godot 3.1 stretch goal series. The reason for that is it's probably the series that's most useful to everyone in the community right now. So we want to start with that. There are quite a few tutorials, so you can see the planned tutorials on screen, or if not individual tutorials, in some cases we'll group a few topics together in one video. But there's quite a lot to do, as you can see, and that's not all of the new features because there's just way too much to cover. But we are going to start that on a repository on GitHub, and maybe a few of the 3D things will wait for our character project Mankini to be ready. Mankini is... do I have it here? No, I have to go... I think it's in my downloads folder. I should really move it, but why did I put Mankini? There you go. So this character here that you are going to get animated, rigged by professional, an experienced industry professional, an animator, and this will be a game-ready character. But for things like the ragdoll tutorial and all, we need this character to be ready, to be imported in Godot and all that stuff. So we will wait to have that done before we cover maybe the character physics, 3D IK, those kinds of things. Besides that, we've been working on some interface tools, a theme that we can use to build debug interfaces for games in general, but also a unified theme that you are going to see us use in the tutorials for things like slideshows, etc. So I've tested it on the GDScript intro tutorial that there's been on the channel. It's a bit long to load, this one. Making lots of control nodes, lots of slides with nested nodes is a bit complicated, but so we are using that to improve also our Godot slideshow project, and so we already have one plugin here made by Henry K. It's in another project. I think I don't have it here. Yeah, I checked out the project. I don't have internet at the time of recording here. It's broken today, so I could not pull the latest changes. But we're going to have some plugins to make it a lot easier to edit rich text labels, text edit nodes, things like these, to help people, anyone, create slideshows, tutorials much more easily. And we are making that unified theme and nice reusable UI components that you could use for debugging purposes in your games, for drawing, those kinds of things. So it's going to be, as usual, a midterm to long-term work in progress project. And besides that, I think that's about it for now. These are the things I wanted to show you. Razvan is going to recode the first chapter in the Godot 3 course, and I'm going to record it as soon as possible, so when I come back. So this, everyone who pledged on the Kickstarter, 80 euros and all, but all of you who bought the course will get the update for free, obviously. And I think that's about it. We have a collaboration with Purism. I've mentioned it in a previous news video. Now, I'm going to announce it in greater details when we finally get the work started and release the videos early March, most likely. But that's it. That's about it for now. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. You know, if you have any concerns and all, just know that I am around. I will be checking the Discord as well while traveling once or twice a day. So don't hesitate to ping me or leave a comment, etc. But that said, I want to thank you kindly for watching. Be creative, have fun, and let's see one another in the next one. Bye bye.